I think I like skincare that is to me.
Really?
Because
like it feels like calming.
See, when you look at packaging with yellow, you think automatically it's
Oh,
It's a thing.
okay. So what is blue?
blue.
Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Cookie. Today's episode, we are going to be talking about Celimax. What do you guys personally think about Celimax?
I've always said that the Noni Ampoule is my favorite. Among the serums that I've used, the Noni Ampoule really helps with not only acne, but also helps with recovering my skin if it's really sensitive.
That's how I started using Noni Ampoule actually.
Because of her?
Yeah, because of her. She always making me try something new.
Yeah, if I like something, I always make, previously when we were in the marketing team, you must try this, you must try this.
Noni is, have you guys seen the picture of the fruit?
Yeah.
It's really, because I have trypophobia, which is like,
Trypophobia.
Does it have a hole there?
it has like really, it looks really weird.
It looks like a dragon fruit.
Yeah, sorta. It looks, it's like a green
Dragon fruit.
The Noni fruit has a lot of benefits because it has amino acids, and that help to exfoliate your skin, strengthen your skin barrier, and it holds non-inflammatory substances. So I think that's why it became very huge in Korea through Celimax. And one of the great things that I love about like the Noni is how the packaging is very green, because the fruit itself is like a very bright green color.
I think I like skincare that is green to me.
Really?
Because
Like it feels like calming.
it feels like it's soothing, good for acne. Technically, all the stuff that are green, I like. So
Isn't it just like you're psychologically telling yourself green works for you?
be.
I think green is like soothing.
Because green, there's tea tree, there's like
Sika.
sika, aloe, cucumber.
Green is like a very natural.
Or the marketing team.
And nowadays, I feel like I've seen a lot of like Noni extracts in products.
In skincare products,
In
yes.
skincare products. Because my favorite product from Celimax is the Jojoba Cleansing Oil. This is my holy grail. This is like my ride or die. This is, and it's also one of the first cleansing oils I've ever tried. I think by far, like I've used like, I don't know. I had like a whole like box full of like empties of this product, and I still use it to this day. During the employee purchase, I bought 3.
Yeah, I think I watched your video on the unboxing.
Funny thing is, like when I googled like Celimax Jojoba Cleansing Oil, my face came up on YouTube. When you have acne, your face is like hot, and then this kind of helps your skin to like relax. So I really love this product, and I was really sad because when I wanted to see like people's great reviews about it, nobody reviewed it as much. It was just me. So it's like, I wish a lot of people knew about this. And great thing about it is apparently, and I also had similar problems, the pump itself, products leak a lot. They had product whole renewal just recently, and now they changed the pump so it's like non-leakage applicator.
I think that's a general problem with all cleansing oils.
Right?
Because I
It
have it
always
with all my
leaks.
cleansing oils.
I've also got some inside intels that they just released a new product, which is this pretty orange product,
Oh, brightening.
brightening and dark spots. So
See, when you look at packaging with yellow, you think automatically it's for brightening. Like, it's a thing.
okay. So what is blue?
Blue is cooling.
Hydrating.
They are just launched this, so by the time this video is out, you can purchase this on Style Korean too. So let's see what influencers thinks about Celimax. But when I say influencers, these are not actual influencers, these are actual reviewers.
There are 2 words I didn't think I'd ever use again to describe my skin. Acne free. In 2019, I was a senior in college and my hormonal acne was at an all-time high. Hormonal acne typically appears around the chin and jawline area during the time of your cycle. Because these pimples are caused by natural hormone fluctuation, it can be a challenge to find over-the-counter products that work well to prevent them. My acne was large, cystic, and painful. I tried any product that promised to help, and in doing so, over-exfoliated, destroyed my skin barrier, and had not 1, but 2 allergic reactions that left me feeling so defeated. This low pH toner absorbs super quickly into the skin because of its lightweight texture and draws in water to plump up the skin so it's bouncy and youthful. This toner contains a humectant called hydrovans. Humectants are used to attract and draw water into the skin, and one of the most common humectants used is glycerin. While glycerin can hold 34% of water absorption, hydrovans can hold 82% for maximum hydration. This toner also contains 5% amino acid complex, so it works very gently to exfoliate your skin. This is crucial because exfoliation removes dead skin cells that when left on the skin can clog up pores and cause acne.
Hers is really visible that the redness is gone.
Right, because it's like she has hormonal acne, and the hormonal acne is like cystic because it hurts.
Yeah.
You can't even sleep on one side
You can
because
see the
it hurts.
pus.
You can like see like her skin texture in general has really soothed down, and then you can only see like visible acne scars because she had a really severe like acne. You can see the scars, but you can see like the acne is like totally gone. So.
And it's also good that the toner has exfoliation because you have to start with the exfoliator before you actually put on other skincare products, right?
I'm going to be using a toner. Using a toner is actually a must. Sometimes you don't actually know if you're cleaning your face properly. Using a toner after that kind of helps. Make sure you remove every single thing. This is a toner that my makeup artist at my makeup shop has introduced me to this. This pad has two different sides. This side is the mild side, so like it just feels like a normal cotton, and this side is like has a rough textures. You scrub it around these fold lines to make sure that you remove everything, and like if your pores are clogged, this helps a lot because you're like scrubbing it out of there. Makeup likes to get clogged here on my nose right here, and my pores were really disgusting for a little while. So after using this, it kind of removed it a lot.
Cause acne is because you didn't remove your makeup fully. And I feel like toner pads or like peeling pads in general, after you like cleanse your face, helps to like remove any like leftover residues. And I also have the similar problem is like nose, like in between my noses, because my nose flare is like huge. So that there is like a lot of residues here. And especially just washing with your hands, it doesn't get everything. So then toner pads and like pads in general can really help reach that like in between. But the thing is that I'm worried that there's gonna be makeup residue because I get acne here, like whiteheads. Here. And then like yeah, and it's like in a weird space, so I can't even like pop it. Yeah, and I just have to let it sit there. And I know if I don't like cleanse or like do my makeup removal well, I know something is gonna pop up here. So the thing is, at the end of the day, it's just how well you like remove those dust and sebum throughout the whole day.
That's true. Cleansing is really important. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.
If you guys have any suggestions of what other brands that you want us to review, make sure you leave them in the comments.
And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on Celimax. Personally, this is one of my favorite brands because I just love like...
She's biased.
I am biased, but I try not to be as biased today, but they are really great for if you have hormonal acne and if you're battling with like a lot of sensitivity and irritation, so make sure to check them out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!